Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a poll to a Substack post. To add a poll to a Substack post, follow these detailed steps. First thing, open your preferred web browser and go to Substack website. Enter your email and password to log into your account. Once logged in the left-hand main navigation menu, click on the plus icon and select either note or long-form post to start creating your post. The note is for a standard post and the long form is for more detailed post. So now that you are here, of course, alternatively, you can select home to view your existing post and click on the title of an existing post to edit it. So write the content in the text editor, write the title and add subtitle and add a text and any other elements you want in the post. Within the post editor, position your cursor where you want to add the poll. Then once you have positioned your cursor right to where you want to add the poll, the next thing to do is to click on the more option here. Click on that and that's going to provide you with a drop-down menu called block, divider, financial chart, footnotes, latex, poetry, and poll. Now in the block options, scroll through the available types until you find the poll option. Now click on poll. As you click on poll, you will now be able to insert a poll block into your post. In the poll block, right here, it says new poll. Then click on this edit button to edit the poll. Now enter your question. How old are you? Let's say that should be, how old are you? So you're gonna have other choice, 18, 20. Of course, option 3 is optional. Then select the length, right, for your post. It could either be 1 day, 3 days, 1 week. So let's just do one day. Then hide the total vote count from readers. Check this box to hide or uncheck the box to just make it available. Then once you are done, go ahead and click on save. And your new poll will be saved. Now, depending on the features available, you may have options to customize your poll settings, such as allowing multiple answers or making a poll anonymous. Adjust the settings as desired, which we did. Now, after setting up the poll, take a moment to review your entire post. Then you can click on the preview button, which is at the top right corner, to see how the poll will look when published. All right, so this is the mobile view. I just want to see the website view to see what's going to look like. Okay, so the mobile view. So this is what it's going to look like. This is the preview. Then click on done. Now once you're done, you can go ahead and click on continue, and that's going to take you to the publishing page where you can either publish now by clicking the send to everyone now, or schedule for later by clicking on the scheduling option to schedule. If publishing now, confirm your choice to publish the post, which will include the poll. And after your post is published and your subscribers engage with the poll, you can check the responses. Now, this can often be done by viewing the post statistics in the activity section of the main navigation menu. By following these detailed steps, you successfully add a poll to your Substack post, allowing your readers to engage with your content interactively. Now, go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.